Early last month, reports started to emerge about a replacement for one of the biggest social media platforms. This new network, codenamed P92 and currently known as Barcelona, is slowly in the works as a text-based social media app. In a chat with Platformer, Meta confirmed that they are exploring a standalone decentralized social network for sharing text updates. We believe there's an opportunity for a separate space where creators and public figures can share timely updates about their interests. Instam was working on a new app called Barcelona, and it's pitched as Instagram for your thoughts, just like Twitter. It looks like Meta is taking advantage of Twitter's current chaos, and this is the perfect opportunity to launch their own text-based social media app. Barcelona will allow users to follow each other and stay on top of their text updates. Users will be able to use their Instagram credentials for the new app, and the maximum length for posts will be about 500 characters. For a lot of us, Instagram DMs have taken precedence in our lives. Most communication with people happens through them, and the new app from Meta will make things more versatile, easy and hassle-free. Barcelona could even liberate those of us who feel trapped on Twitter due to personal work or to keep in touch with celebrities. All of these advantages will most likely be seen by the younger demographic and draw them to Barcelona. Signing up for Barcelona would be an easy process, as it will just require your Insta credentials and your ID automatically becomes your username. There's no new format to learn and the same familiar user interface we're all used to on Instagram. However, no matter how great Barcelona sounds, there are readers who might be more interested in delving into the realm of artificial intelligence. A couple of years back, I was fascinated with the emergence of AI and the latest GPUs, laptops and AI-related gadgets. We're on the brink of a technological revolution with AI, and Tech Radar is the perfect place to spot the latest developments in this area. You can keep up to date on the most current news and stories concerning AI, not only with the in-depth reviews but also with opinion pieces, analysis and deals. At the end of the day, no matter if you're looking for a new platform to air your thoughts or interested in the latest AI breakthroughs, Tech Radar is where it's at. Each of us has something to learn from this website and its passionate authors who have had their creative work published in literary journals and magazines, who have worked for the biggest tech companies, or who have even somehow installed a game on the work MacBook's touch bar without anyone knowing. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of technology and extend them beyond AI and Barcelona to explore our deepest and most creative thoughts. Keep reading, keep learning, and Tech Radar will keep you one step ahead of the game.